Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to use MS Word online for free. Friends, if you want to write a letter in MS Word, then you can use MS Word online without installing on your computer. So in your web browser, you need to open word.cloud.microsoft. Now here for the first time you need to sign in from your Hotmail or Outlook email account, and after signing from your Outlook account you will reach to this page. So here you can create a new Word document or you can upload a existing Word file. I will create a new Word document. Now here you can type your letter or you can also dictate your letter. I will try to dictate. From here I need to select the mic and click on allow. To the manager, Punjab National Bank. Dear sir, I am having an account in your bank which I want to close. So kindly consider my request and do the needful. Regards. So friends, like this you can very easily dictate your letter, and also you can change the font etc. from the options. So friends, like this you can very easily create your document. It is a complete Word software which is available online. You can insert various options. Also you can do changes in your layout by selecting orientation, or you can also select the margins and page size. So friends, like this you can very easily use MS Word online for free, and your document is automatically saved on OneDrive, which gives you 5 GB free storage. So friends, like this you can very easily use MS Word online for free. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.